So, I am 1 year post shoulder surgery and things are going pretty good. I just want to do a quick video kind of documenting my progress and show what's been going on. So, what happened with me is I had a slap tear, which is a tear in my labrum. Going through physical therapy, and I went through that for 5 months and went back to work full time. Then I started hitting the weights pretty hard about 5 months ago, or decently hard. Now keep in mind that I had to start back at zero, like zero pecs, zero bicep, zero delts. It's been a journey. So I'm not 100% where I want to be. I don't think anyone ever is, but I'm getting there and showing some decent gains. So first, I'll show you some of my surgery. I'll show you a surgery picture of before and after the repair, and then a quick little video about where I'm at. All right. Alright, year post shoulder surgery. Still working on it, but seeing some alright gains. So that's where I'm at right now, and yeah, be kind. I got a ways to go, but believe it or not, I'm actually starting to see some pretty decent improvements, and I really like it. So I'm feeling good. Anyhow, I'm gonna be making another video giving my tips and tricks for shoulder surgery, post shoulder surgery. And just some advice. And so if you're going through this, I feel for you, man, or lady. But it gets better. You got to stay positive, stick with the physical therapy, and really celebrate the small victories. Because for a while, especially that 6 weeks in a sling, that's what you got. And no matter how small, really celebrate it. Be kind to yourself. All right. I'll see you guys later.